टिकापुरको पार्कले मधुमा सर्छ,
घोडा घोडी तालले सबैको लोभ्याउँछ मन।
दोधारा चाँदनीको पुलमा अडिरहन्छ मन।
खट्टर पाटन बढी मलिका सेती नदीको मिठो कलकल।
अपिसाई पाल हिमाल राज काँडाले पार्छ हर बिहान झलमल। नेपाली मनको एउटै आवाज, यो हो रेडियो पश्चिम आवाज, यो हो रेडियो पश्चिम आवाज, यो हो रेडियो पश्चिम आवाज।
नेपाली मनको एउटै आवाज सामुदायिक रेडियो पश्चिम आवाज 104.7 मेगाहर्ज।
हामी पढ्छौं, हामी लेख्छौं, हामी अघि बढ्छौं, ठुलो भाइ बोली हामी देशलाई सिंगार्छौं।
कोभिड-19 ले गर्दा घरमै बसेका विद्यार्थीहरूका लागि लम्कीचुहा नगरपालिका संघको सहकार्यमा अब रेडियो मार्फत घरमै बसेर पढ्नुहोस्। कार्यक्रम रेडियो स्कुल। हाम्रो मालिका एफएम 89 मेगाहर्ज, एफएम रेडियो स्टार 95.3 मेगाहर्ज र सामुदायिक रेडियो पश्चिम आवाज 104.7 मेगाहर्जमा एक साथ। अब प्रत्येक दिन बिहान 7 बजेदेखि 11 बजेसम्म कार्यक्रम रेडियो स्कुल।
कक्षा 8 का लागि सामुदायिक रेडियो पश्चिम आवाज 104.7 मेगाहर्ज।
विषय विज्ञान बिहान 8 बजेदेखि 8:40 बजेसम्म। विषय गणित बिहान 8:40 देखि 9:20 सम्म। विषय अंग्रेजी बिहान 9:20 देखि 10 बजेसम्म।
कक्षा 9 का लागि एफएम रेडियो स्टार 95.3 मेगाहर्ज।
विषय विज्ञान बिहान 7 बजेदेखि 7:40 सम्म। विषय गणित बिहान 7:40 देखि 8:20 सम्म। विषय अंग्रेजी बिहान 8:20 देखि 9 बजेसम्म।
कक्षा 10 का लागि हाम्रो मालिका एफएम 89 मेगाहर्ज।
विषय विज्ञान बिहान 9 बजेदेखि 9:40 बजेसम्म। विषय गणित बिहान 9:40 देखि 10:20 सम्म। विषय अंग्रेजी बिहान 10:20 बजेदेखि 11 बजेसम्म। लामो समयदेखि विद्यालय जान नपाएर घरमै बसेका विद्यार्थीहरूका लागि यो सुवर्ण अवसर। त्यसैले विद्यार्थी तथा अभिभावकहरू बिहान 7 बजेदेखि बिहान 11 बजेसम्म रेडियो खोलेर बस्नुहोस् र अध्ययन गर्नुहोस्। कार्यक्रम रेडियो स्कुल। नमस्कार, कार्यक्रम रेडियो स्कुलमा यहाँलाई हार्दिक स्वागत छ। लम्कीचुहा नगरपालिका शिक्षा शाखाको सहयोगमा सामुदायिक रेडियो पश्चिम आवाज 104.7 मेगाहर्ज लम्की कैलालीद्वारा यस क्षेत्रका विद्यार्थीहरूका लागि शैक्षिक विकासमा टेवा पुर्याउने उद्देश्यले यो कार्यक्रम प्रसारण गरिएको हो। कोभिड-19 का कारण लामो समयदेखि विद्यालय जान नपाएर घरमै बसिरहनु परेको अवस्थालाई मध्यनजर गर्दै लम्कीचुहा नगरपालिका शिक्षा शाखाको सहकार्यमा सामुदायिक रेडियो पश्चिम आवाजले उत्पादन गरेको यो कार्यक्रम प्रत्येक दिन बिहान 8 बजेदेखि 10 बजेसम्म विद्यार्थीहरूका लागि तयार गरिएको हो। कार्यक्रममा हामी कक्षा 8 को अनिवार्य विज्ञान, अंग्रेजी र गणित विषयको अध्यापन गराउनेछौँ। अब प्रस्तुत छ कक्षा 8 को अंग्रेजी विषयको आजको कक्षा।
all of you, dear my students of class 8. Okay, at first a revision of yesterday's topics. We have completed the visitor's guide to Pokhara. The visitor guide to Pokhara. It means to write down leaflet. We have to care. We have to care about mainly 5 points. First one is getting here. Don't forget this point. Write down at first how to get there. To write down any place leaflet. तपाईं जुनसुकै ठाउँको leaflet लेख्नुहोस् प्यारा भाइ बहिनीहरु. It is important for BR examination, and first point you should care about the getting here. Then second point is accommodation. It means facilities. Then third point is the place to visit. Third point is place to visit. And third point is place to visit, and fourth point is time to visit. Then last point is money. So 5 points should be clear to write down leaflet of any place. जुनसुकै ठाउँको तपाईं leaflet लेख्नुहोस् त्यसको लागि तपाईहरुले 5 वटै कुराहरु चाहिँ लेख्न सक्नुहुनेछ. भुल्नु हुँदैन, लेख्नुपर्छ पोइन्टमा. देन डिलिट र यसको बारेमा थोरै व्याख्या गरिदिनु पर्ने हुन्छ. Okay, dear students, move toward the today's topics. Unit 3. Open your unit 3. Business and commerce. Business and commerce topics. Page number 23. Open. Page number 23, Unit 3, Business and Commerce. व्यापार र वाणिज्य, commerce. Look at the pictures, dear students. Look at the picture of page number 23 and answer the questions. Number 1. What are the people doing in the picture? What are the people doing in the picture? Look at the picture. Can you guess it? And is interview a good method to get information? Dear students, is the interview a good method to get information? Is it good method? Okay, we have to answer after the finishing this chapter. Turn page number 24. Read the text, then answer this question. Pardnos part, त्यसपछि के दिनुस्? Answer these questions. Topics: an interview with a local business person. An interview with a local business person. त्यहाँको स्थानीय business person सम्मको interview. Okay, move. Some students of grade 8 were assigned the task of interview a local business person for their school magazine. It means some students of grade 8 were assigned task of interview the local business person for their school magazine. उनीहरुको स्कुलको पत्रिकाको लागि स्थानीय व्यापारीहरुसँग उनीलाई अन्तर्वार्ता दिने कार्यक्रम अथवा कार्य विद्यार्थीहरुलाई दिएको थियो. डियर स्टुडेन्ट, they went to meet the business person. Then students went to meet the business person and he welcomed them. It means businessmen welcome the students. All 4 students with tea and snack. त्यसपछि विद्यार्थीहरूलाई चिया र खाजाले के गरियो स्वागत गरे विद्यार्थीहरूको व्यापारीहरूले. Then they told him, they means a student told him why they wanted to meet him. Students told him why we are going to meet you. Then the young business person, self-made man. It means the business person is a self-made man and was happy and ready to answer this question. The businessman is happy and ready to give answer their question. At first, Kamala asks. First question is asked by Kamala. Kamala, would you mind telling us about your childhood and primary education? Kamala asks the businessman. अब कमलाले पहिलो प्रश्न सोचिन् बिजनेसम्यानलाई, would you mind telling us about your childhood and primary education? Question marks. Then business person said, उसले भन्छ अब, of course. Business person said, of course. My childhood was very normal. My childhood was very normal and happy. The business person childhood was very normal and happy. Please stop. My parents were farmers. My parents were farmers, and so they were very hard working. Because my parents were farmers and they were very hard working. The businessman said, though they were uneducated, they sent me to a reputed school. But my parents were uneducated and they sent me to a reputed school. Reputed means एकदम प्रसिद्ध. है मेरो प्यारेन्ट्सहरु एकदमै के हुनुहुन्थ्यो त, गरिब हुनुहुन्थ्यो, तर पनि उहाँले मलाई एउटा नाम चलेको विद्यालयमा पठाउनु भयो. They never said, they means parents, businessmen's parents. है त्यो बिजनेसम्यानको प्यारेन्ट्सहरु never said no to my request. It means the parents said never no to business person when he was on childhood. जब वो सानो बच्चा थियो त्यो बेलामा उसले भनेको कुराहरु उसको प्यारेन्ट्सले कहिल्यै नो भन्नुहुन्थेन. It means parents always fulfill their businessman's desire when he was on childhood. Bedu. Then second question is next by Bedu. Bedu said, how was your school life during the primary level? Question marks. How was your school life during primary level? तपाई त अहिले बिजनेसम्यान हुनुहुन्छ. How was your school life during the primary level? Then business person said, teachers were helpful. Teachers were helpful. It is strict too. Tight पनि हुनुहुन्थ्यो. टिचरहरु सहयोगी पनि हुनुहुन्थ्यो र कडा पनि हुनुहुन्थ्यो. Tight. We never felt bored in the school. we, it means business person never felt bored in the school because there was a music class every day. Because there was a music class every day and library classes 3 times a week. त्यति मात्र हैन, हप्ताको 3 पटक लाइब्रेरी क्लास पनि थियो. Every day there was a music classes. So business person never felt bored in school life in primary level. Adequate sports material also fulfill. Adequate means prashasta. Adequate sports materials also fulfill the demands of an all interested student. Then next question asked by the Ambika. Ambika asked. अब अम्बिकाले सोचिन् question. Were you particularly interested in any game? Were you particularly interested in any game? Question marks. के तपाई स्कुल लाइफमा कुनै गेममा इन्ट्रेस्टेड हुनुहुन्थ्यो? कुनै रुचि थियो तपाईको? Then business person said, yes, I was interested in table tennis. Yes, I was interested in table tennis. Then next question asked by Bimala. Bimala asked, please tell us how you came to be involved in business. Please tell us how you came to be involved in a business. अब हामीलाई भन्नुहोस् कि तपाई व्यापारमा कसरी लाग्नु भयो? How you came to be involved in business? Then business person said, I had no such aim until my SLC level. Because I was small, I had no such aim until my SLC level. When I joined the management stream in class 11. When I joined the management stream in class 11, my interest in business gradually began to increase. So my 11 class ko management faculty ma padhe. My interest is gradually developed to increase the business, and my friends were mostly from business related families. Then my friends were all mostly from business related families. Then Kamala asks next question. Could you tell us? Kamala said, could you tell us what business is? Then Kamala asks, could you tell us? के तपाईं भनिदिनुहुन्छ what business is? Business भने के रहेछ त? Then business person said, it is an activity supplying goods or services or both to people to make a profit. व्यापार यस्तो क्रियाकलाप हो जसमा सामान र सेवा मानिसहरूलाई उपलब्ध गराइन्छ र त्यो क्रियाकलापबाट हामी के कमाइन्छ त? मेक अ प्रॉफिट. के कमाउँछौं हामी? प्रॉफिट बनाउँछौं. प्रॉफिट इज द मेन सोल अफ बिजनेस. Profit is the main soul of business. Full stop. Service to society. Next is service to society. Comma. However, should also be kept in mind. Full stop. We are part of the society. Because we are the part of society, we need to help develop it. We need to help develop it. यसलाई बचाउनु अथवा बनाउनु नै हाम्रो के त महत्त्वपूर्ण भूमिका रहन्छ. Need to help develop it. Then Bedu asks next question. What is the most essential requirement to be a successful businessman? It means, what are the requirements to be if we want to the successful business person? के आवश्यक हुन्छ त महत्त्वपूर्ण चीजहरु के हुन्छ जसले हामी एउटा सफल व्यापारी बन्न सक्छौं? Or what is the most essential requirement to be a successful business person? Then business person said, there is not a single thing for this. एउटा चीज भएर हुँदैन. There is not a single thing for this. It means money is not everything. पैसा हुँदैमा व्यापारी बन्न सकिदैन. There is not a single thing for this. Hard work, एकदम मेहनत, politeness, सभ्य भाषा, preference, लगनशीलता, tactfulness, सहनशीलता are the basic virtues in business. These things are necessary to be a successful business person. And capital, investment, the market are the infrastructure necessary for business. Capital, puji, lagani, bazar. These three are the infrastructures necessary for business. Business को लागि तीनटा चीजहरु अनिवार्य नै आवश्यक हुन्छ. पुँजी, लगानी र बजार. What are the necessary things to be a successful person? Dear student, guess it. Can you guess it? What are the essential requirements to be a successful business person? Can you guess? Number 1, hard work. Number 2, politeness. Number 3, perseverance. Number 4, tactfulness. Then another things are capital, investment and market. These are infrastructure necessary for business. यिनी कुराहरुको तालमेल पुग्यो भने we want to be we can to be a successful business person. Then next question asked by Ambika. Ambika said, Ambika said, how do you manage your personal and professional life? Question marks. How do you manage your personal life and professional line? तपाईले आफ्नो व्यक्तिगत जीवन र पेशागत जीवनलाई अथवा व्यवस्थापन कसरी गर्नु भएको छ? Business person said, it's not so difficult for me. It's not so difficult for me. My wife helps with my business. My wife also helps my business. So, she understands its complexities, does not interfere with my job. मेरो बुढलाई राम्रोसँग थाहा छ. What are the complexities of business? Then doesn't interfere with my job. मलाई मेरो जबमा कुनै पनि इन्टरफेयरहरु डिस्टर्ब हुने गर्दैनन्. My parents help us to look after around the children, and my parents also help us to look after our children. It means help of family members also manage the business person, or these things are also, the help of family is also necessary to be a successful business person. परिवारको सर सहयोग, श्रीमती, बुवा आमा, भाइ बहिनीको सहयोग पनि एउटा राम्रो व्यापारी हुनको लागि these are also requirement, essential requirement to be a successful business person. Next question asked by the Bimala. Bimala said, do you think you could explain the relation between the education and business? Okay, Bimala asked the next question. Do you think you could explain the relationship between education and business? तपाईलाई के लाग्छ एजुकेसन र बिजनेस बीच केही सम्बन्ध बारेमा तपाई भन्दिनुहुन्छ कि के लाग्छ तपाईलाई? And business person said, yes, education paved means बाटो है, paved means way, धेरै है, paves the path है, बाटो बनाउँछ शिक्षाले to business. Education teaches us to do anything easily and properly. शिक्षा नै व्यापारीको एउटा के त पाथ, शिक्षाले नै बिजनेसतिर मान्छेलाई सही बाटो वेभहरू चाहिँ pave the path, बाटोलाई देखाउँछ. Then education teaches us to do anything easily and properly. शिक्षाले नै कुनै पनि कुराहरू सहजै राम्रोसँग गर्नलाई teaches गर्छ. It makes your practical, and we cannot learn business studies and etiquette without education. We cannot learn business studies and etiquette, business व्यापारका प्रक्रिया, चरण र व्यवहारहरू हामी सिक्न सक्दैनौं without education. शिक्षा बिना हामी सिक्न सक्दैनौं. Trying to manage a business without good education like just trying to cross the deep river without knowing how to swim. नपढिकन व्यापार गर्नु भनेको it is like to cross the deep river without knowing how to swim. पौडी खेल्न नजानिकनै नदी तर्नु जस्तै हो. Without education to develop the business or to trying to manage a business without education is just like try to cross the deep river without knowing how to swim. So education plays also important role to be a good business person. Then Kamala asks next question. If you had not been a business person, what you have done? तपाई व्यापारी नभएको भए के बन्नुहुन्थ्यो? Kamala asks next question. If you had not been a business person, what would you have done? Then business person laugh. हाँसौ. तपाई व्यापारी नभइदिएको भए तपाई के हुनुहुन्थ्यो? He laugh. And I might have joined the police force. If I were not a businessman, I might have joined the police force. Then Bedu lastly asks next question. Lastly, what do you want to tell the students like us? अन्तिम क्वेशन तपाईको लागि. तपाई जाँदै गर्दा हामी जस्ता विद्यार्थीको लागि तपाई के भन्नुहुन्छ? What would you want to tell the students like us? Then business person said, choose the field where you are happy to work hard. म के भन्न चाहन्छु भने choose your field choose a field where you are happy to work hard. जहाँ तिमी मेहनत गर्न रमाउँछौ, चुज द फिल्ड, त्यही फिल्ड रोज। तिमी लिडर बन्न चाहन्छौ भने तिमी लिडर, तिम्रो इन्ट्रेस्ट छ भने लिडर बन। तिमी बिजनेसम्यानको इन्ट्रेस्ट छ भने बिजनेसम्यान बन। तिमी जागिरको इन्ट्रेस्ट छ भने जागिरतिर हेर। सो बिजनेस पर्सन लास्टली टेल द स्टुडेन्ट लाइक देम, choose a field where you are happy to work hard. Then also work to benefit the future of your country in a positive way. आफू मात्र हैन, राष्ट्रलाई पनि सहयोग हुने काम गर। बी पोजिटिभ, सकारात्मक तवरले आफ्नो भविष्यको उन्नतिका साथै राष्ट्रलाई पनि हेल्प हुने काम गर। योर कन्ट्री, एट लास्ट बिजनेस पर्सन said, and ending the interview with a local business person. In a local business person. Okay, dear student, move toward the exercise. Page number 26. Page number 26. Read the conversation above and match the words in column A with the column B. हेर्नुहोस् त, read the conversation, then match the words in column A with the column B. Okay. A. Local. Match with. Local means of a particular place. Dear students, match it. Local, of a particular place. Snacks means tiffin, nasta. Snacks means tiffin. Then sports. Sports mean games, match. Profit. Profit means benefit from a business. Profit means benefit from a business. Last one is household. Household, match with related to home. Household means related to home. Once again, please. Local, match with of a particular place. Second, snacks means match with tiffin. Third one is sports, match with games. Fourth one is profit, match with benefit of a business. And last one is household, match with related to home. Related to home. Okay, dear students, I would like to give thanks to technician brother Dhirendra Pariwar, and I would like to thanks to dear parents who give chance to listen radio FM. And at last, समयको पातबन्दीसँगै हामी रहनुपर्ने हुन्छ मेरा प्यारा विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू। त्यसैले आजको निर्धारित समय सकिनै लागेको छ। आजको लागि म तपाईहरुकै शिक्षिका जमुना अधिकारी खनाल बिदा हुन चाहन्छु। हस्त, बाय बाय, see you tomorrow.
आदरणीय श्रोता, तपाईले अहिले सुन्नुभयो अनिवार्य अंग्रेजी विषयको कक्षा 8 को आजको कक्षा। लम्कीचुवा नगरपालिका संघको सहकार्यमा सामुदायिक रेडियो पश्चिम आवाज 104.7 मेगाहर्जले उत्पादन गरेको कार्यक्रम प्रत्येक दिन तपाईले यसै समयमा सुन्दै आइरहनु भएको छ। भोलि नयाँ कक्षाका साथ उपस्थित हुनेछौं। आजका लागि कार्यक्रम रेडियो स्कुलबाट हामी सबै बिदा हुन्छौं। नमस्कार।